Who's here? Vámonos. Out of here. Vámonos. Vámonos. Out of here. Get out of here.
No. It's okay.
Did you hit yourself?
No, he's gonna go out.
Did you hit yourself?
In your pole? Hey, what's wrong with you? Don't you have a place to live? Who knows?
Close it, close it. Done. Guys, look at these M&Ms. They're so huge. I got them for 29 cents on sale at Walgreens. I'm about to open it. Okay, just watch as they come out of the bag. Look how huge they are. They're huge. It's the size of my thumb. My pinky. No, way bigger than my pinky. But they are really good. It's like having two M&Ms in one. It's just like one big M&M. So delicious. I got absolutely no blue ones in this package, and I think that's weird because on the last one I got quite a few blue ones. But that's okay. Look at how huge they are. So amazing. And I got them on sale. I don't know why they were on sale, but I'm thinking maybe after Easter I'm gonna go and check out what candy they have on sale, because that's usually good. Guys, what's up? I'm fixing to have lunch. Well, it's already 3 o'clock, but I have a late lunch and a late dinner usually. So anyways, the other day I picked up a salad from H-E-B, and it's one of their $3.99 salads. And my favorite, Ken Steakhouse creamy Caesar dressing. I have one of these for the chicken. Despite, you know, how I love to eat, you know, a lot of rich foods, I do try to eat salads. I know salad dressing can carry so many calories, but this is what helps me eat salad. So I just love these salads. And I am watching Wendy Williams on YouTube. I usually watch Wendy Williams on YouTube because I don't wake up early enough to catch it on the TV. So this salad looks really good. I can't wait.
Bouncers in here.